I know love. I'm from the warm hands of a Xhosa woman that dripped blood yet still built a magnificent person in me. I'm from the presence of a father who ran with open wounds under his bare feet, stood on burning coal to claim me life. Mama and Dada. The struggle made you Charity and Theophilus, for the British and the Dutch could not wrap his tongue around your real names, Pumza and Simpiwe. We were forced to believe Nelson was worth more than Rolihlahla. You brought me to a world where Babalwa would have to fight to prove equal worth with the name Grace. I'm from siblings who chose to eat on the same bowl with the same spoon while several dishes remained filthy in the kitchen sink. Not one hand felt the need to express gratitude. I'm from a township where love is the neighbors dancing across the street with hands clenching glasses of hard liquor. Happiness is a visiting butterfly. Sometimes I wish you would visit more and stay a little bit longer.